You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
This evening, but we've been able to confirm that one of them was picked.
Mother of Yoruba activist Sunday Adeyemo, well known as Sunday Igboho, got attacked by Fulani men on Sunday night, March 21, as reported by his spokesman Olayomi Koiki via his Twitter space. Femi Fani-Kayode, former Minister of Aviation, also confirmed the news as he revealed that he had called Sunday Igboho and one of the suspects was caught.
Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho this evening, but we've been able to confirm that one of them was picked while the two remaining were able to escape. The one that has been arrested is currently held at Igboho police station as I speak right now. The picture you're looking right in front of you is one of the three individuals that crossed into the compound of our mother this evening, just about 7:54 p.m. Is currently being interrogated, and the question that have been put to him was what he was doing and the rest of the remaining two at that particular house. And what he said was, he's been told that Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho will be around at that particular building, and that is the reason why he was waiting. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí fún àlàyé ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́, ní nǹkan bíi aago méje àbọ̀ lọ lù tí aago mẹ́jọ ó kù díẹ̀ kó lù ní ọwọ́ bá àwọn mẹ́ta tí wọ́n fẹ́ wọnú ilé màmá wa tí ó bí Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho ṣá. Àmọ́ ọwọ́ tẹ ìkànnú wọn, méjì láǹfààní àti sálọ. Èyí tí ọwọ́ tẹ̀ gangan ni ó ti wọnú ọgbà tí kò mọ̀ pé àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣọ́ ilé náà wọ́n wà ní inú ọgbà. Àwọn méjì láǹfààní àti sálọ, but méjì tí ó sálọ yẹn iṣẹ́ ti ń lọ lórí wọn láti lè mú wọn. Àmọ́ èyí tí ẹ̀ ń wo àwòrán ẹ̀ tí ó wà níwájú wa yìí, òun ni ọwọ́ ti bà. Bí ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ báyìí, ó wà ní Ìgbòho police station tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá ń béèrè ìbéèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, ní Ìgbòho police station ni arákùnrin wà báyìí Fúlàní ni arákùnrin tí ẹ̀ ń wojú rẹ̀ báyìí. Àwọn mẹ́ta ni wọ́n fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ jàǹbá yẹn, àmọ́ àwọn náà mọ̀ pé ibi tí wọ́n ń bọ̀ òun náà ní security tiẹ̀, but ọwọ́ ba ẹyọkan nínú wọn. Àwọn méjì láǹfààní àti sá lọ. Nígbà tá a bá ń sọ pé Fúlàní tí wọ́n ń dẹran, tí wọ́n ń ṣe jàǹbá, ẹ máa ní kò kàn mí, ẹ máa ní kò tí ì dọ́dọ̀ mi. Kò sẹ́ni tí kò lè dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀, kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tí kò lè kàn. Àmọ́ ìgbésẹ̀ tí à ń sọ ni pé arákùnrin tí ẹ̀ ń wo àwòrán ẹ̀ níwájú mi, ó wà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ìjọba ọlọ́pàá ti Ìgbòho police station. Wọ́n ṣe interrogation ẹ̀ bí a ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Àmọ́ in tí wọ́n béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tí ó dẹ̀ ń fi èsì sí ni pé òun gbọ́ pé bàbá wa Chief Sunday Adéníyì Adéyẹmọ tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Ìgbòho Òòṣà ó bọ̀ ní ìlú Ìgbòho ní èní. Ìyẹn ni àwọn ṣe fi wá síbẹ̀. Àwọn ìbéèrè tó ń bí tó bá ṣe jẹ́ tó bá ṣe lọ a máa fi tó yín létí. Ní ìjẹta nígbà tí àwọn méjì kan, àwọn mẹ́ta, àwọn mẹ́rin tí àwọn méjì láǹfààní àti wọ military uniform, àwọn méjì kan wọ civilian dresses. A fi tó yín létí, a gbé àwòrán yẹn wá, àmọ́ in tí ìjọba tí ó ń sọ ni pé àwọn méjì tí wọ́n wọ aṣọ ìjọba military, wọ́n ní wọ́n kì í ṣe military men. Nígbà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, àwa náà mọ̀ ta máa ṣe tí ó bá di ìgbà mìíràn. But bí ẹ̀ náà ni eléyìí a ti fà lé ìjọba ọlọ́pàá tí ó wà ní Ìgbòho police station. Àmọ́ in tí a fi ń yé wa ni pé Fúlàní tí a ti ń pariwo ẹ̀ tó tójọ́ bíi mélòó kan sẹ́yìn nísìn tá à ń sọ fún yín pé wọ́n ti yí wa ká, wọ́n ń ṣe jàǹbá fún wa, wọ́n ò jẹ́ ká rí légbé, wọ́n ò jẹ́ ká rí mú mí. Ààrẹ náà lè lé ìlálẹ̀ yìí o. Police station tí ó jẹ́ ti Ìgbòho òun ni eléyìí wà nísìn tí wọ́n ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. A ní ká fi tó gbogbo àgbáyé létí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà tí ìjọba Nàìjíríà máa dáhùn lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ mọ̀ pé àìtí fèsì padà, a ní a máa fèsì ni, but màá wá fi èsì padà lórí in tí ìjọba Nàìjíríà sọ. Àdẹ́fẹ́ jẹ́ kí gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà káàkiri àgbáyé àti àwọn tó jẹ́ international community tí wọ́n mọ̀ tí kò ń ṣe nǹkan, kò ń ṣe méjì, kò ń ṣe mẹ́ta tí ìjọba Nàìjíríà tó jẹ́ military máa parọ́ nígbà tó bá ṣe jàǹbá tán. Kò dẹ̀ ń ṣèní ni wọ́n ti ń ṣe jàǹbá, kò kì í ṣàná. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ rán yín létí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní October 21st nígbà tí wọ́n pa àwọn ọmọ EndSARS. Bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ kò tíì sí justice fún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n pa. Ibẹ̀ yẹn kọ́ ni mò ń lọ. Nígbà tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn kọ́kọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ gbàrà, ìjọba sọ pé àwọn ò tẹ̀ ní kankan ṣe dé ibi tí àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n pa àti ìbọn tí wọ́n yìn. Ìntọ́ kọ́kọ́ fi tó wa létí nìyẹn. Wọ́n tún wá sọ fún wa pé àwọn ò tẹ̀ kúrò níbi tí àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe EndSARS yẹn, àwọn ò tẹ̀ láǹfààní kankan láti débẹ̀. Ìyẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n tún wá fi yé wa nígbà tí wọ́n dá bàbá wa dúró nígbà tí ó ń lọ ìlú Èkó láti Lagos Ìbàdàn expressway. Wọ́n fi tó wa létí pé floodlight wọ́n fi tó wa létí floodlight wọ́n fi tó wa létí pé nígbà tí wọ́n mú tó dá wọn dúró ẹ rántí yẹn náà tí a jẹ́ kí gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjíire àti gbogbo àgbáyé gbọ́ pé Chief Sunday Adéyẹmọ ó ń lọ ìlú Èkó ní àwọn DSS dá dúró nígbà tí ìjọba máa kọ statement ìjọba ní pé àwọn ò lọ́wọ́ sí àwọn ọ̀dẹ̀mọ̀ kankan nípa ẹ̀ ìyẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ó bá ti jẹ́ pé military wà involved wọ́n máa ń dìdá yẹn ṣáá ni pé àwọn ò ní kankan ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ìyẹn tún dúró bẹ́ẹ̀. Now the two individuals that were putting on the military outfit have now been confirmed by the military to say that they cannot stay low or stoop low to be spying around Chief Sunday Adeniyi Adeyemo Igboho. But the question we're asking them is, this is not the first time that the military of the Federal Republic of Nigeria have intervened in so many areas that we have evidence. And those evidence is the closest one that when he was, he was crossed by the DSS, the Operation Burst. And we have the video. We have the evidence. Just the same way we now have the evidence of these Fulani man that wanted to invade our mother's house at about 7:54 p.m. today, 21st of March 2021. So when so many people that are watching and following the development that is happening, the question we should put at the back of our mind is, who is behind this young militia fighter? You might think he's a young man looking at his face, but these are individuals that are ready to kill not just anybody, but to take life. And that is the face of the evil one. Like I said, he's currently being held at the Igboho police station. Remember, we hand over the 4 individuals as well to the police just on Friday, which is just about 72 hours ago. But let me read what the response of the military or the federal government, because the military is serving under the federal government of Nigeria. This is what they have to say. And I will say again to not just Nigerians, but to the international community, that if should anything happen to Chief Sunday Adeniyi Adeyemo Igboho Oòṣà, likewise his family, we will hold the federal government responsible for that. Because we have enough evidence that the 2 individuals that came by his house, and they were not just 2, but again, these were the 2 that we were able to capture while the rest were able to run away. Just the same way the federal government denied that they were never at the Lekki toll gate. But now, after the satellite image that was released, after the evidence of the weapon that was fired at innocent Nigerians, even though they were carrying the Nigerian flag and singing the Nigerian anthem, so many bodies have not been retrieved as we speak right now on those killing at Lekki toll gate. Injustice has not been rectified. The question we are now telling the international community is whether it is Chief Sunday Adeniyi Adeyemo, whether it is any other individuals that is currently living in this country, we will hold the federal government, responsible for any of those atrocities, because we have evidence. And those evidence is something that you cannot deny. How do you deny when somebody that is going on his own on a motorway but was crossed over by the vehicle that is having the plate number, and not just having the plate number, but also carrying the federal government emblem with it? Do we deny that? Let us think about it. If we never had that video evidence, what we are saying today will not be able to be proved. Just the same way, what we are saying this evening we would not have been able to prove this young man is not a young man, but I am using the reference as a young fighter, a terrorist that have been living with us. We cannot even confirm whether he's a Nigeria or he is from the other side of Niger or the neighboring country that was able to be living among us, and we have so many of them across the Yoruba land and also the remaining part of the country. Just less than 48 hours ago, the governor of Benue State was almost killed in this country. The question we are asking the international community is, for how long must Nigerians that are still calling themselves Nigerians be killed right inside this country? But let's now tell you what the federal government said in regard to the press statement that they have to release. And this goes like this. We are not on a spying mission, says the military. They are warning us against blackmail. How do we blackmail the federal government when two uniform confirmed with their ID card? They told us the barrack that they work. They told us where they are based, right here in Ibadan. But the federal government is denying those two. Are we now saying that anybody can put on a military outfit and then come out to spy or invade the premises close to Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho? I am asking that question to not just Nigerians, but the international community. Do we have where an average two or more that were also been able to escape? Because some of them escaped, but two of them were captured with two civilians. So does it mean that an average Nigeria is now wearing a military uniform and they're moving around across the country? Because we know that the fraudulent constitution does not permit anyone in this country to put on a military outfit. So who will have a military outfit on a broad daylight coming into a premises that they know that that person is somebody that is not just a public figure, but somebody fighting for the right of his people? So why would two military uniformed men come close? What are they doing there? But the federal government have denied and saying that those two, they don't know anything about them. Those two, they have nothing to do with them. That I will leave for every person to judge. That we will leave. Just the same way the family and friends and loved ones of those that were killed at Lekki Tollgate are still asking questions from both the state governor and the federal government, what really took place as the massacre that has now become the Lekki Tollgate massacre. Till we speak right now, the injustice and the justice to bring back those that have been killed. Some individuals have not retrieved their body. But at 7:54 p.m., at exactly 21st of March 2021, 3 Fulanis, and no one should say they are not Fulanis, we've confirmed from the one that is being currently interrogated. These are Fulanis that came into the premises of the mother of Chief Sunday Adeniyi Adeyemo's house today. 2 of them escaped, but I can assure you that those 2 are already being, checked around the vicinity. And not just only that, the vicinity is well secured. But we need to understand that the situation that is facing not just that particular location is the same thing that is facing almost every part of this country that is called Nigeria. And on that note, we will sit back again and wait for the response of the federal government this time around. We will wait for the response of those that are saying that we should not continue to do what we are doing when we say we do not want any Fulani on the Yoruba land. Àwa ń dúró ni o, because nígbà tá ń sọ fún yín pé no more Fulani, some of you are saying, oh, that is just too much. Some of them have lived with us for 40, 30, 100 years. The question is, who is that Fulani that is ready to take your life? Who is in that military uniform, walking around now, doing a checkpoint? If the federal government is denying those 2, how many military are stopping you on the highway and there might be a fake military man? Have you ever asked yourself those questions? Àwọn military tẹ́yìn fi ọkàn sí pé àwọn ọlọ́mọdá yín dúró ló ń ṣe checkpoint. Ǹjẹ́ yín mọ̀ pé ó ṣeéṣe pé they are not just military, but there are those that will capture you and take you into the forest and take ransom from you. My name is Olayomi Koiki, the spokesman for Chief Sunday Adeniyi Adeyemo Igboho Oòṣà. We will continue to update not just Nigerians, not just the international community, but to keep you up to date. And I re-emphasize it again. Nothing should happen to Chief Sunday Adeniyi Adeyemo Igboho Oòṣà and his family and those surrounding and working with him. Because if that should happen, the federal government will be held accountable for whatever happened to him and his family. Have a very good evening and bye from this end.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.